everybody, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my empties from the month of September. Once again, I can't believe how fast this year is moving. It's insane to me. I do have a lot of empties just because I just have accumulated a lot over the past month. So let's go ahead and just jump in. So the first thing I have, oh, by the way, no, I did not organize my trash. I don't have time for that, so we're just going to dig in. So the first thing I have is some shampoo. I actually have a couple of different shampoos. So I've been trying out the Garnier Whole Blends line. So this one is the repairing shampoo and conditioner. This is the Honey Treasures strengthens and heals damage. I just finished this up actually this morning. I have frizzy hair and it's really thick, but when it grew back after I had all my treatments, I noticed that it came back really, really frizzy. So I have to put, if I want it to not look like, I got caught in an electrical socket, then I need to put a bunch of gel in it to make it die down, or just pin it back in a bun or ponytail or whatever, because it looks the best that way. Down, not so much unless I were to style it, which on an average day, I don't have time for that. So normally it's up like this. So I needed a shampoo that would be able to help with that frizz, but also help with a little bit of dryness that I have on my scalp. So I've been trying out the Whole Blends line. The first one I tried was the oat delicacy. That one I really liked because it had like that oatmeal bath kind of thing where, if you are allergic to grass or whatever, you bathe in an oatmeal bath. And so it had that oatmeal consistency. And so I felt like that really helped. However, I wanted to try out the rest of the line to see what else and see maybe something else would help better. However, this one really didn't do anything. Scent-wise, it was fine. I didn't mind the scent. It just didn't do what I needed it to do for my hair. So will I be repurchasing this? No. This particular one, no. Let's see, what is this? The smoothing shampoo and conditioner. This is the coconut oil and cocoa butter from the same line. I felt the same way about this one. It says it tames and controls frizzy hair. While it helped a little bit with the frizz, I disliked the scent. It was terrible. It was like this really perfumey, just no. So while I love the fact that it helped my frizz, however, I dislike the scent. So that is another strike against it. So I won't be repurchasing this particular one, which really actually just disappoints me. But I finished the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts cleansing wipes, the makeup remover wipes. I love these. Y'all know how I feel about them. I repurchased another pack of them. These are amazing. They're the only brand that I can use that does not burn my skin. They're awesome. So fantastic. Oh, and I found at Grocery Outlet, they are like $2 cheaper than at Target. So there's a little tip for you. If you have a Grocery Outlet near you, go check that out. But these are awesome products, because what's an Empties video without some organic fields? Oh boy. Alright, so I had to use the travel size of the so I use the Unblemished, right? So I had to use the travel size of the Dual Intense acne treatment. I love how cute it is. Look how little it is. So I used this up. This whole line really has helped my skin, to be honest. Yes, I've repurchased the entire line. So I repurchased this. This is awesome. The other thing I finished up, so that was step 3. The other thing I finished up was step 2, which is the clarifying toner. This one, yes, I've purchased this again. awesome. And then the last thing, well, the for travel size is the sulfur wash. So this is the face wash. Yes, I did cut it open because oddly enough, this still has a ton in it if you cut it open. So when you can't get any more out of the squeeze tube, just cut it open and you'll find a bunch in there. So I usually get at least 2 to 3 more washes with this when I cut it open. So it's amazing how much product is still in there. But yes, I repurchased this as well. And then I also used up a full size of the Step 3, the Dual Intense Acne Treatment. So awesome stuff. So the last thing I have is the Lady Speed Stick Powder Fresh Invisible Dry Deodorant. Y'all know how I feel about this. It does the job, yes. However, you know, I feel like I sound like a broken record. The white mark situation, no, does not work with this. Yes, it does the job, but it doesn't fix the white marks. So, having said that, I won't be repurchasing this. Everything for my empties for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.